John Granado here, being joined by Will Hemphill from Mobile Lease Auto Sales. What's up, Will? This is unbelievable what you're doing right now. How about all people have to do is stop by 1150 Blaylock and register, and they can win a Sanyo HD TV. You'll give it away on Valentine's Day?
Right, 46-inch. No purchase necessary. We just want people to come out and see our new facility, meet our people. It's going to be a free TV. Just put your name in the bucket, and we'll pull your name on Valentine's Day.
How about that? 1150 Blaylock, just north of I-10 on Blaylock. Easy to get to. Wonderful facility, brand new, just pretty and great. And you can see the cars out there. You don't have to do anything. But how about this? If you test drive a car, what happens?
Oh, my God, this is something else. We call it test drive for a free ride. Win a free car. Win a free car. Just come in, demo any car on the lot, and when you finish the demo, we give you a key. We have 100 keys. One key starts the car. If you have the key, it starts the car. You drive it home, it's yours.
That is unbelievable. So one person will win.
One person will win for sure.
And it's only 100 keys, so you got to get there. 1150 Blaylock. And how do you win big? You buy a car from Mobile Lease Auto Sales.
So there's 3 ways you can win. 3 ways. You can't lose. Just come on out here. It's a great deal. There's no purchase necessary. Just come out, test drive a car, put your name in. You can win a TV and a car.
How about that? Go to 1560cars.com to see the contest rules. 1150 Blaylock, Mobile Lease Auto Sales. Thanks, Will.
Come see us. Bye-bye.